front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation. Begin by going into Tap menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen, like that. When you're ready, you need to look for white auto rotate shortcut or grey portrait one with a padlock. As you can see, auto rotate is over here, so when I click, it's grey and it says portrait. That means that auto rotation is now off. To turn it on, click on portrait shortcut until it says auto rotate. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!